Before a plane ever leaves the runway, they show you the exits. But most investors, they do the opposite. They buy the stock first and then try to figure out how to get out after the pressure shows up. And that's why selling stocks feels so emotional. Most investors think, I'll know when to sell when the time comes. But when that time comes, you're usually dealing with fear, hope, regret, greed. Hey, I'm Ryan here from VectorVest, and today I'll show you these two sell decision discipline investors make before they buy, where the emergency exit is, and how they'll protect profits if the trade works. The problem is, once you own the stock, you're no longer looking at it cleanly. Now you have money attached to it. You have your ego attached to it. You have the story you believe in when you bought it. So the sell decision is no longer just a market decision. It becomes personal. And once emotions enter the trade, the quality of decision making changes. That's why disciplined investors make many of their sell decisions before the trade ever begins. Principle number one, exit before entry. The best sell decisions are made before the emotions show up. Before you buy, you should always be able to answer one question. What would tell me this trade is no longer working? That question matters because selling is the hardest after the stocks starts moving against you. By then, you're not planning anymore. You're defending, hoping, bargaining, or trying not to feel wrong. So the rule is simple. If you can't define the exit before you buy, you're not ready to buy. Every trade needs an exit before you ever enter. Principle number two, the emergency exit. This is where the stop losses matter. A stop isn't predicting failure. It's defining unacceptable risk, because when a stock starts falling, emotions immediately begin negotiating. It'll probably bounce. Maybe I'll just wait another day. It's a good company. And sometimes one bad trade becomes far larger than it ever should have. In the VectorVest language, this is why the stop price matters. It gives you a line before the argument starts, not because every stop will be perfect, but because having a line is better than negotiating with fear after the stock has already fallen. The goal is not to be right on every trade. No, the goal is to keep one wrong trade from becoming a problem for the portfolio. That's the purpose of an emergency exit. Principle number three, protect the landing. A simple way to think about this: one trade has a meaningful gain. Don't let the whole gain disappear. You may not sell at the top. That's fine. Nobody does that consistently. But you can decide ahead of time how much of that profit you're willing to give back before you protect it. One simple rule is this: after a meaningful gain, protect at least a part of it. If a stock is up nicely, don't let a winner turn all the way back into an emotional coin flip. Disciplined investors protect part of the gain so a winning trade doesn't turn back into an emotional mess. That's a safe landing. That's how we do it here at VectorVest. And this is exactly why we built VectorVest around rules instead of opinions. Yes, we help investors with three big decisions: when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. But on the sell side, the goal is simple: give you a line before emotion takes over. If a stock is no longer acting right, you shouldn't have to sit there wondering, should I hold? Should I sell? Should I wait one more day? No, you should have a structured answer. Most of the time, another opinion just gives you one more thing to argue with. What you really need is a line in the sand that you can trust. That's also why tools like the free stock analysis report can help investors answer questions like, should I still hold this? Is this pullback normal? Am I protecting enough profit? So knowing when to sell really comes down to two decisions. What tells me this trade is no longer working, and if it is working, how will I protect the gain? Most investors wait until emotions show up before answering those questions. Disciplined investors answer them before the turbulence. If you want a more structured way to make those decisions, take a look at the VectorVest Market Launchpad using the link in the description below. And if there's a stock you already own and you're not sure whether to hold, sell, or protect profits, request a free stock analysis report. We'll help you look at it with structure instead of emotion. See you in the next video.